Dear future customer, welcome to Jumbo Luxury Cars. Here's your 2015 Land Rover Range Rover Supercharged, stock number 76278. This vehicle currently has 19,000 miles and according to Carfax has no accidents nor damages reported with one previous owner. This video is made to give you a detailed description of the vehicle, its options, as well as its history. Our goal here at Jumbo Luxury Cars is to make sure we have a transparent buying process. I will show you any damages, scratches, or anything else you should know about this vehicle. First, let's check out the exterior of the vehicle, checking for any scratches, dents, or damages that the exterior may have. Driver's side is in excellent condition, absolutely no scratches, dents, nor damages. Coming into the back section of the vehicle here, absolutely clean. Overall, the exterior is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the rims and tires, checking for any curb rashes, also tire condition. Here we have very light curb rash, nothing major. Tires are in excellent condition. Very light curb rash here. This rim has light curb rash. Overall, the rims and tires are in great condition. Now let's check out the trunk. Here we have your floor mats. Under here we have your spare tire with tools and accessories that come with the vehicle. Overall, as you can see, the trunk is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look under the hood. As you can see, everything seems to be in good working order. Now let's take a look at the interior. All buttons are in excellent condition. Driver's seat is in pristine condition, absolutely no signs of wear and tear. Back seats are in immaculate condition. Here we have additional storage with cup holders. Here's another angle of the back seats. As you can see, everything is in excellent condition. Passenger seat is in excellent condition as well. The glove compartment, here we have your owner's manual. Now let's continue with the interior. Steering wheel is in excellent condition. This vehicle comes equipped with navigation, also backup camera, media buttons and AC buttons are in excellent condition. Overall, the interior is in excellent condition. This vehicle comes with 2 sets of keys and an owner's manual. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this vehicle, please don't hesitate to contact us. It will be a pleasure to assist you.